Hey everybody, what's going on? Devin Gage here from Gage Strength Training. So today I want to talk to you guys about something that we do so commonly that we don't even think about anymore, and that is the proper way to breathe. Okay, so we're breathing all throughout the day, and most of us are actually doing it wrong, especially when it comes to exercise, and especially when it comes to clearing up any kind of lower back pain. Okay, so I'm going to talk to you guys about the two types of breath that we can take, and how one of these types of breath is causing lower back pain and one is going to help alleviate lower back pain. So the first type of breath is the shallow breath into the chest that is going to cause lower back pain. All right? So when we take a nice deep breath, if we're not breathing deep into our bellies, what we're seeing is our chests rising up and coming back down. All right? So if you look at me from the side when I take a deep breath, you're seeing the chest inflate and come back down. And the reason that this is causing lower back pain is when you look at me from the side again, with each breath, what you're seeing is a little hyperextension of the lower back, little micro hyperextensions of the lower back, which causes a lot of tension throughout the day. It's something that we don't even think about because it's not causing pain while we're doing it, but that tension builds up and builds up. And in a world where we already have a lot of lower back tension, this just kind of compounds that and can really tighten our lower backs and really kind of lock those up and give us a lot of pain. So I'm going to give you two little exercises that you can do to kind of check your breathing and work on improving those breathing patterns, really improving how to take those deep breaths deep into your belly that's not going to cause that lower back pain. Now the first thing I'm going to show you is a test to see how you're breathing and to see what you need to improve on. So what you're going to do is the test to see if you're taking shallow breaths or deep breaths in your belly. Take one hand, put it on your chest, one hand, put it onto your belly. What you're going to do is take a nice deep breath, and whichever hand comes up with your breath, that's how you know where your breath is kind of ending up in your body. So if you're taking a shallow breath, you're going to see your top hand, your chest, inflate with that breath. And if you're taking a nice deep belly breath deep into your abdominal floor, you're going to see your bottom hand expand. So I'll show you from the side. Okay? So when you see that bottom hand, that abdominal breath take place, what you're not seeing is that hyperextension of the lower back. Okay? So that is one great way to check your breath, but it's not something that we can do all day. So here's a little exercise that you can do inside the gym or anywhere, really. You can take anything from an elastic band, use a belt, anything that you can kind of put around your waist. Put it right around your abdomen, right over your belly button. What this is just going to cue you to take those deep belly breaths throughout the day. All right, so you might feel a little ridiculous wearing something around your waist, but this can really help improve lower back pain from alleviating those hyperextensions of the lower back. So all you're going to do, if you're in the gym and you're having problems with those deep breaths, take a band, take a belt, take anything, and just focus on expanding that band with each breath. So again, from the side. From the front, when you take a deep breath, it's going to expand that band. It's going to allow you to take in more oxygen. It's going to do way more for you than just fixing lower back pain, but it's a major thing that it's going to help a lot of people with. And focus on that. Next time you're in the gym, really practice those deep breaths, and I promise you this is going to help you out. All right? Have a good one.